So we're going to show you how to create a waypoint on a Simrad NSO, and we happen to select Walls Wharf because it's a little known secret destination with delicious food and white sandy beaches. So Walls Wharf is directly across the sound from us, and I'm zooming in. And because I know exactly where it is, because I go there all the time, that little spit of sand is where it is. So I'm going to touch that on my display. Then I'm going to go over to my display settings. I'm going to hit New. I'm going to hit New Waypoint. Now instead of having it 003, I'm just going to touch that. Screen will pop up with a keypad. And I'm going to type in Walls Wharf. Walls Wharf, save. Now I'm always going to know where that is. So now that we have Walls Wharf saved on here, I can go into my menu settings. I can go down to my waypoints. You can see Walls Wharf right here. I can select it. I'm going to hit Go To, and it's going to draw me a straight line to get there. So first step with easy routing, auto routing, is we're going to hit the settings up here. We're going to go to New. We're going to go to New Route. And we're going to tell it we want to start right here at MarineMax Norwalk. It's hard to see right now, but I'm going to zoom in. You can see how that waypoint is now circled green. So because Walls Wharf is across Long Island Sound, I'm going to zoom out. Walls Wharf is right here. We have another waypoint. So now I'm going to tap that waypoint. So we've had starting point and a finish point. Now we're going to go up here. We're going to hit easy routing. We're going to do entire route. And it's going to think for a second. This is a pretty long route, so it might take a little bit longer than normal. So now we have our easy route. The reason that warning came up was you cannot start on land or water is because we're up in the shallows, but now it has reconfigured. So now we're going to go to keep. Now we're going to hit save. So route 002, we're going to delete that. And we're going to say MM for MarineMax to Walls Wharf. We're going to hit enter. So that saved that route. Now you can see that route on here, going right across the sound, coming out of the channel, going up north to MarineMax. Now if we want to stop it at any time, set clear cursor. Now to pull up that route that we made, we're going to go into the settings option. We're going to go into waypoints. We're going to go into routes. And we have MarineMax to Walls Wharf. We're going to hit it. Now we can go start. We can tell it we're going to go from MarineMax to Walls Wharf forward, or we're going to go from Walls Wharf to MarineMax. So we're going to reverse it and come home. So there is my reverse trip back home in orange.